What if one of the deadliest aircraft on the battlefield didn't even need a pilot inside? The MQ-9 Reaper is not just a drone. It's a machine that changed modern warfare forever. Silent at high altitude, capable of staying in the air for hours, and equipped with precision weapons, the Reaper became one of the most feared unmanned aircraft ever created. But behind its calm appearance lies a terrifying question. Is the MQ-9 Reaper truly armed for lethal combat? And how much firepower can a remotely operated drone actually carry? Because once you uncover the truth behind the Reaper's speed, weapons, and battlefield role, modern warfare suddenly looks completely different. At first glance, the MQ-9 Reaper doesn't look intimidating. Compared to fighter jets or bombers, its shape appears slow and simple. But that simplicity hides its greatest strength. Unlike traditional combat aircraft limited by fuel and pilot endurance, the Reaper was designed to remain airborne for extended periods, watching, tracking, and waiting. Its top speed may not rival a fighter jet, but speed isn't its main weapon. Patience is. The Reaper can stay over a battlefield for hours, collecting intelligence and preparing for precision strikes when the moment arrives. The MQ-9 Reaper was designed not only for reconnaissance, but also for precision strike missions. Its wings can carry guided weapons capable of targeting vehicles, structures, and strategic positions. This combination of surveillance and firepower allows the aircraft to identify threats and engage them without requiring separate strike platforms. Its real advantage comes from combining information and attack capability into one persistent system. To understand why the MQ-9 became so influential, you need to understand modern warfare itself. Information became just as important as firepower. The side that sees first often gains the advantage. The Reaper was built around that concept, finding, tracking, and monitoring targets continuously before striking with precision. Unlike fast jets that appear briefly over a battlefield, the MQ-9 creates constant presence. That persistence changes how operations are planned and executed. Here's where the controversy begins. The MQ-9 Reaper's ability to strike targets remotely raised serious global debates. Supporters argue that drones reduce risk for military personnel and allow precise operations. Critics argue that remote warfare changes the human connection to combat itself. And despite its advanced capabilities, the Reaper also has limitations. It is not designed for high-speed air combat and depends heavily on airspace control and communication systems. In contested environments, slower drones can become vulnerable. Here's the twist. The MQ-9's true power isn't its speed or even its weapons. It's its ability to combine surveillance, patience, precision, and endurance into a single platform. Traditional aircraft may strike faster, but the Reaper can remain present long before and long after an operation begins. This changes the psychological dimension of warfare. Targets know the drone may already be above them, watching silently. So, is the MQ-9 Reaper armed? Absolutely. The aircraft was built specifically to combine intelligence gathering with precision strike capability. Its weapons allow it to engage targets accurately while remaining far from immediate danger. And while its top speed in MPH may seem modest compared to fighter aircraft, the Reaper was never designed to outrun enemies. It was designed to outlast them. The MQ-9 Reaper represents a major shift in military aviation. It proves that dominance in modern warfare is no longer defined only by speed or dogfighting capability. Information, persistence, and precision now shape the battlefield just as much as raw firepower. The Reaper isn't simply a drone. It's a system designed to watch, decide, and strike with relentless efficiency. And if you want to uncover more hidden truths about military aviation, advanced drones, and the future of warfare, subscribe now, because the next story might reveal the machine that replaces the fighter jet itself.